Hi guys, so today I'm gonna service this 2017's Crompton Avancer Prime Anti-Dust Ceiling Fan. This is in indigo blue color and this fan is in dusty condition, also in dangerous condition because you can see the fan is totally loose from the motor part. Okay, so guys, now let me uninstall the fan to do a proper servicing of it. Okay, so guys, I have uninstalled the motor part. Now let me remove the blades. So guys, after removing the blades, this is the fan motor. As you can see, it is very lightweight. Okay, you can see it is full of dust. Okay, and you can see this is the capacitor. The manufacture date of this capacitor is 24th April 2017. Okay, and you can see this is the label Avancer Prime, and this is an anti-dust fan. As you can see, so this is the dusty blade. As you can see, I will remove the blade decos and I will clean all the blades properly. Okay, this is the upper canopy with the Crompton branding. Previously the canopies were reversed, that's why this canopy is full of dust. Okay, and this canopy is having a silver decorative ring and it opens like this. Okay, and you can fix it back like this. So this is the upper canopy. Okay, mind it. And the bigger canopy is always the lower canopy. Okay, mind it. So this is the motor. I will tear it down to check what is happening inside of it. So let me remove the upper cover. So everything is fine inside. So this is the silver motor deco ring. It is full of dust. Okay, let me keep it aside. So this is the coil. It is written NFOL. The quality of this coil is really good. This is the spring. This is the lower cover. And this is HCH 6201 bearing. So this is the upper cover. The upper side is totally dusty, but the inner side is totally neat and clean, as you can see. So I will clean it properly. Okay, so at first I am cleaning the lower cover. Gently remove the dusts from the ring and then clean it properly. So this is the upper cover. The accumulated dusts can be removed easily because this is an anti-dust fan. This is the actual benefit of anti-dust fans. So this is the upper cover after cleaning. I have cleaned the upper canopy, but the lower canopy is remaining. So this is the blade of Avancer. You can remove the blade deco by unscrewing these two screws like this. Okay, so this is the blade deco. It's full of dust. So now I will clean all the blades including the blade decos. So this is the motor after assembly. As you can see, now it's looking perfect. Okay, so now I will connect the capacitor. I'm connecting here Tipcon 2.5 microfarad capacitor. Okay, the white wire is the common wire, connect it first. Okay, then the blue wire is the auxiliary wire, connect it with the capacitor wire. Okay, then the red wire is the main wire, connect it with the another capacitor wire. Okay, so guys, the connections are done. It's very simple. So guys, now let me fit the fan down rod. So guys, this is the fan down rod. Just align the holes. Actually this is the M8 sized motor bolt. Okay, you can see previously the motor bolt was loose, that's why you can see this is the condition. That's why always tighten all the nuts and bolts. First put the spring washer, then put the plain washer, then put the bolt. Okay, then put the bigger nut. If you have Crompton safety screw, then it's very good, put it. If you don't have, then try finding the same threaded screw and fully tighten the screw. Okay, the safety screw keeps the motor bolt tight. That's it. So fully tighten the motor bolt. Okay, and then fit the smaller nut, fully tighten it. Okay, so always put the split pin for your own safety. Okay, and bend the ends like this. So guys, always tighten the blade screws using a big screwdriver. So guys, now let me quickly install the fan. So after properly servicing, this is the fan. You can see this is the Crompton logo. The fan is almost looking like a new fan. So guys, now let me turn it on. So guys, now everything is perfect. The speed is really good and the airflow is really awesome. I can feel it's really awesome. I can also see the speed is increased because of Tipcon 2.5 microfarad capacitor. So guys, now let me switch it off. Okay, so now the fan is 100% safe to use. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, then press the like button. If you have any comments, please comment it down in the comment section. Share this video, subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, see you in my next video.